Property for Sale magazine comes to you directly from the office of Silverglades, the address makers. One of the most well-known names in the construction business, these people have been in the property business for more than 25 years. Today, we have with us the director of Silverglades Group, Mr. Anubhav Jain, who will tell us about his exciting new project, the Merchant Plaza, and also give us a bit of a brief about his existing projects, the very famous Laburnum, the Tarudhan Valley Resort, the Classic Golf Resort, and many more. We have with us Mr. Anubhav Jain. So, sir, let's just talk about a few of your existing projects. You have the very famous Laburnum in Gurgaon, the Tarudhan Valley Resort, the Classic Golf Resort. How did they come about? And you mostly are a lifestyle, a boutique hotel, boutique sort of residences. So tell me a bit about these existing projects.
Well, I think the aim of the company has always been to do more lifestyle-based real estate. So whether it was Laburnum or whether it was the Ivy or whether it was a Classic Golf Resort, we've done a lot of firsts. You know, we've been the first to launch luxury housing in Gurgaon. We've been the first to bring international standard golf courses to India. And I think the endeavor is to keep innovating and to keep bringing something new to the market, which, you know, the Indian subcontinent hasn't seen. So again, with Merchant Plaza, you know, the idea here was to develop a mixed-use development, which has a mix of service apartments, high-end retail, as well as, you know, bring low-cost maintenance option for shopkeepers.
Yeah. So, speaking of that, so coming up to the new projects that they're coming up with, they have a very interesting project called the Merchant Plaza in Sector 88 Gurgaon, which is on the Dwarka Expressway, which is one of the first of its kind, a mixed-use development where you have serviced apartments and a retail shopping area, which is pretty much like your neighborhood shopping area, but much better. You have lovely parking spaces, and they have come up with some very interesting things that set them apart from the regular retail spaces that you have. Like you were saying about the flexibility that you offer to the retailers. Could you tell us a bit about that?
Yeah, so the design is such that the floor plans are very friendly for shopkeepers as well as retail owners. I mean, the large open layout courtyards that we have in the center of the project give excellent viewpoint vistas to all the shopkeepers. I think from a shopping experience, by having escalators, elevators, as well as staircases in strategic areas, enable good circulation and movement and common facilities. You know, two-level parking basement is something which is today, has to be given for the project to be successful, as well as air conditioning, which is on a very flexible plan. So you have an option of air conditioning your unit more or less as you please, depending on the kind of electricity load that you are comfortable taking on. So those are just some of the innovations that we've tried to do, plus bringing in some green building technology to make sure that the building is more energy efficient. Just some of the things that we've done to make sure.
Yeah, so that's another very interesting thing, because you're a very old company, yet you're moving with the times, ensuring that your buildings are eco-friendly and they're green. So tell me a bit about that. How did that come about into your plans, being that green being the focus?
Well, we've been a very environmentally conscious company from the very beginning. I think since we started with Classic Golf Resort, which was on 300 acres of land, we were developing a golf course, and we did not cut a single tree there, and we used neem khali, which is a natural sort of insecticide, pesticide, not use any chemicals. And till date, even in Tarudhan Valley Golf Resort, which we currently operate a 9-hole golf course in, we use completely green practices to maintain the golf course. And so we take that to the next level when we come to buildings, because energy conservation and water conservation is a very important part of conservation of energy and green building. So that's something that we take very seriously, and I think now with the norms of the Haryana government also, they're quite strict in terms of providing certain facilities which are eco-friendly. Right. So we always try to stay ahead of the game there, and that's what we try to do even in Merchant Plaza.
So that's really nice that a company that is so huge is still very conscious about the environment. So just to wrap up, where and when can our viewers of Property for Sale magazine start coming to Merchant Plaza?
Oh, we will be hitting ground, just after the rains this year in 2013. Oh, wow. So I think it'll take up to 4 years for us to complete the project. Okay. So probably sometime 2017. Right. We look forward to opening first the Bridge Street service apartments, opening those for business. We have 192 apartments, like I'd mentioned, and also the retail space that we have. The location is quite good. It's in Sector 88, which is a fully commercial sector of Gurgaon, which is slated to be the next cyber city of Gurgaon. So I think having, the sort of being in the commercial sector, well connected to Delhi, to the airport and the rest of Gurgaon, I think we're well poised, and it should be a good project.
So all our smart readers of Property for Sale magazine, keep your eyes and ears open for Merchant Plaza. They have 192 serviced apartments, completely serviced by Bridge Street, a UK-based brand who will be servicing your apartments and lovely retail spaces. So until then, go ahead, pick up your latest issue of Property for Sale magazine from your nearest newsstand or your magazine stand. Simply download it on your Apple, iPad or iPhone from the App Store, or just SMS MAG to 56161. Until then, this is Mr. Anubhav Jain from Silverglades and Property for Sale magazine signing off. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.